So, students, come to our next topic, or we can say the next test, that is Rockport test. This test is also discovered for measuring the cardiorespiratory fitness, or we can say the aerobic endurance. So, first of all, the introduction regarding this particular test, after that procedure, and after that how the scoring will be done in this particular test, and the equipments which we are required to conduct this particular test on different kind of samples. So first of all, come to the introduction. This test is used to measure the cardiorespiratory fitness or aerobic endurance. This test consists of walking, which may be performed by every age group, like middle age group or the other adults. Very simple and very clearly mentioned on this particular board that this test is used to measure the cardiorespiratory fitness or the aerobic endurance, and this test consists of walking, which may be performed by every age group, like middle age group or the other adults. Now the aim, through this test we can measure the aerobic fitness of body by measuring time to finish the 1 mile, that is equal to the 1609 meter walk. Exercising heart rate, body mass, age and gender is noted. Simple procedure of this particular test, aim of this particular test, to measure the aerobic fitness body by measuring time to finish 1 mile walk, exercising heart rate, or you can say the pulse rate, body mass, age and gender is noted. So this is the aim of this particular test. Procedure of this test is, the purpose of this test is to walk as fast as possible for 1 mile. After you have completed the mile, immediately take your pulse rate if you do not have a heart rate monitor. The purpose of this particular test is to walk, to complete the 1 mile distance within a walk as fast as possible, and after completing the distance of 1 mile by walking, take your pulse rate if you do not have the heart rate monitor. You can manually count the numbers of beats for 15 seconds and then multiplying that by 4 to get your minute heart rate. Simple one. If you are not having the heart rate monitor, then you just manually calculate the pulse rate up to the 15 second, and the obtained pulse rate must be multiplied by the 4 to get your minute heart rate. Note the same is to the complete the 1 mile. So this is the procedure of Rockport test. Now scoring. In this particular test, there is a formula to calculate the exact data from the raw data which is coming around after the completion of 1 mile walk. The formula is VO2 max is equal to 132.853 minus 0.769 into body weight. Body weight must be in pounds, minus 0.3877 into age, जो भी sample का age है, you should write down that particular age over here, plus 6.135 into gender. Gender means if the sample is male, then place over here is 1, and if the sample is female, then place 0 over here, minus 3.2649 into time, and time must be taken in the hundredth of the minute, minus 0.1565 into heart rate. जो भी heart rate आपने calculate की है after completion of 1 mile walk, that heart rate must be placed over here, and after the calculating this particular thing, जो भी figure आता है 62.5 or 73.4, just place in the given key of this particular test to analyze the subjects for their cardiorespiratory or aerobic endurance. Equipments we require in this particular test is simple one: stopwatch to record the time, 400 meter track to perform the 400 meter track surface area to perform this particular 1 mile walk test, paper, pencil and the heart rate monitor. Clear? So this is your Rockport test. The introduction regarding that particular test, aim of the test, procedure, scoring and equipment. Clear?